Think Minecraft can't get any crazier? Think again. Welcome to the wild world of Minecraft modding. Imagine this. You're playing Minecraft, but instead of following the game's rules, you make them. Want pigs that explode when they eat carrots? Done. Dream of a zero-gravity metropolis? Easy peasy. How about summoning an army of zombie chickens with one keystroke? No problem. Think modding is only for coding wizards? Think again. Modding is for anyone curious enough to experiment. With tools like Minecraft Forge, even newbies can dive right in. Getting started? Super simple. Grab the Java edition, install Forge, and follow some beginner-friendly guides. Start small, maybe change a block's texture. Then, as you get comfy, move on to wilder projects. From jetpacks to lava-proof boats, modding transforms your ideas into in-game realities. Sure, you'll hit a few glitches, but every hiccup is a step closer to mastery. So why settle for vanilla Minecraft when you can create something truly unique? Grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and shape your world today. Start modding. Because Minecraft is your canvas, and code is your brush. Join the modding community now.